So this is how I store my screws, and I find it completely useful, very very useful actually, as opposed to keeping them in the boxes that they come in. You can take this wherever you're working, and it's all ready to go. Right now I do have some outdoor screws here, different options. And wood screws as well. These shouldn't be in here. As time goes on, you start here's some drywall screws as well. And here's some small ones that ended up here as well. But here's some concrete. As time goes on, I start throwing stuff in and this and that, but in a general sense, I know to grab this, and I've got what I mainly use, which is my woodworking screws. But sometimes your stock gets depleted as you go, and you have to refill. So let me show you this. So here's a bag. Here's another bag. And here's another bag. Here in my town we have 2 hardware stores, mom and pop hardware stores. So anyways, they sell screws by weight, and they give you these paper bags to stuff the screws in, and then they weigh it. So I bought myself some much needed wood screws, right? Here's another bag. And here's another bag. I don't always buy it from these mom and pop hardware stores, but you just grab how much you want, and it's by the weight as opposed to buying the whole thing at your big box store. So then we take our little organizer here. The point is that we can close this and take this with us. If it's around the house, around the property, out doing a job, you just have it at easy reach. So this is pretty freaking cool. So I went to Harbor Freight and I got a few things. Let me show you what I got. Bandsaw blade for my benchtop bandsaw. This is a 1/4 inch. I find it easier to maneuver through tight corners when I'm cutting something out with the 1/4 inch. Chuck key. So this one's a multi, and I need it for the next item I'm going to show you that I just bought, but also for my drill press. Yeah, because Javi's wood shop and Patrick's workshop, they sent me a drill press, and so it didn't come with a key. Now I got the key. So multi-sided. Finally, I got this drill chuck, 1/2 inch MT2. This is from Harbor Freight, and so there were like 3 boxes left there, and this one was like this. So this one is for my lathe, and we'll be testing it out. So I've been working on boxes. This is one style. It's a conga drum box, and the thing about it is in order to get into the inside of these boxes, you have to hog out a lot of material inside. Here's a skull one. This is the original one that I did. And a few others you can see on my channel. I show them off as I go. The idea with this part of the lathe is that you can chuck a Forstner bit, spade bit, whatever, and you can hog out the inside of boxes and make it easier for you. So that's why I went and bought this at Harbor Freight. I haven't tested it, so I don't know. But we'll be playing with it, and I'll let you know how it works. So, catch you next time.